take this and we're going to do a plunge with our thumbs. And what you want to do, we're taking it straight to the wheel, we're taking it straight to the bat because our bottom is right there. So just go ahead, go all the way down until you can feel the bottom of the, you can feel the, you hear that? I went all the way down to this, to the bat. All right? Now this is what you want to do when you're going down to the bat like that. You want to pinch the bottom, start really kind of, see how it wants to get off center because we're at the bottom? That's because we went all the way to the bat. We can work with this though, it's not a problem. I'm going to show you how. Load up your sponge and then just let that clay know who's boss. That would be me, not it. You see? We center that guy. And all the while, removing the slip, strengthening the clay body, and we're going to start bringing this out to the desired width.